Hi, this is Jacob Allen with AEP 858 Mod 1, the intro video. I am originally from Ottawa, Kansas. I currently live in Denver, Colorado. I work in Lakewood, Colorado, so the other side of town, at McLean Community High School. It's an alternative school. I've taught math for 7 years now. 3 of those were in Junction City, Kansas, and I'm completing my 4th year here in Denver. My goals, I went with professional and personal goals. My first goal is to complete my principal degree by July, and then at some point, probably in the next 1 to 3 years, move into a principal job, do a home renovation, just add a bathroom to our home, and then start a family over probably the next school year. My next part of the presentation is reason for becoming a math teacher. I got into education because I come from a family of teachers, and I know I couldn't sit at an office job or at a desk all day. I like the diversity that education brings. I chose math. It was a strength of mine, and I've always enjoyed teaching others about math. This is the school I teach at. Transition slide as well to the next portion. So a couple pieces, the other part was just to do for this intro video. The first of which being the critical reflection on my own school and district about using data to inform decisions. This part, I feel like, is half on my school, half on my district for my reflection. I don't know a lot about how my school makes decisions using data. I know that we take state tests, and they don't really affect anything that we've done. I know that we take the SAT, and each year they want us to try to do some sort of SAT strategy to preemptively go after the tests, but it seems like after we take any of these tests, nothing really happens. So as far as the school and district goes, the information, I'm not really 100% sure how to rate it or reflect on how they do, other than just kind of almost an NA, but next, my own personal knowledge on how to use data to inform my daily instruction. This is another one I feel like I am pretty basic at. I've used formative assessment to decide, am I ready to move on? I use summative assessment to decide, once again, am I ready to move on? / is this something that needs to be brought back up? But I think it's something, again, that I am very basic on, and I know I'm a little short on the information I'm providing, but it's all I do know. And then lastly, the plan that I will propose to improve my current knowledge of data and data analysis will first take this class and make sure I stay open-minded to the ideas in the class. I do think I could record better and see what things students are struggling with in my information. Is there questions? Could I break it down that way that they fail to do better than others? I've seen other teachers have long spreadsheets about that, but like I said, I think the majority of it is taking this class and making sure I give strong effort on every assignment so that I can learn the most possible. And that is it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.